concussions cause long-term brain damage? No. Well, at least we can't say that because we don't have enough evidence yet to make that claim. This is all speculation, and many people will see this all over the news and believe that it is a real thing, right? But you have to remember that a lot of stuff that gets pushed on the news is designed to sell ad space. It's designed to get people to watch the story. Well, if you create an enemy, which has been football and professional sports, suggesting that they're somehow withholding information or not giving the full story, that creates a lot of people interested in that bigger story. The fact of the matter is we have no idea what is causing CTE, or if CTE is actually even something that causes any symptoms in life, right? All we have are brains that have this tau protein in them. What does that tau protein do to the brain's function while the person is living? We actually don't even know. Was it concussions that put the tau there? Well, we don't know that either. There's 20 different types of conditions that can put tau in a brain. Some of the things that can put tau in a brain are opioid use, right? So pain-killing medication. Well, a lot of former NFL players admit to using a lot of opioids when they played football. Could that be the cause? Possibly, right? So there's a lot of unknowns here. It's been speculated that it's concussion, but we are so far away from knowing anything concrete about this that is way too premature to suggest that having a concussion or two is going to cause any type of long-term brain damage. So the research and the science does not fit with the media reporting. The research we have so far is very, very, very early stage, right? Let's think about this. Recently, there was a study by Grant Iverson where he found CTE in 8 people that have never played contact sports in their life, never had a concussion in their life, but yet they had the same pathological findings as CTE in their brain. So how can we say that this is caused by concussions when we're finding it in people with no concussions?